le in zawa in chi bai le ve kule zanina tan chuan arithmetical reasoning kan zir dona arithmetical reasoning kan ti chuan in I enge arithmetic mat I acho chi lampang khamo number le khang problem based kha ni maya I mathematical reasoning ani maya I khang lampang kha all sum te roning lo dona a shan in entiran year and age ti ten I enge square root ti te khan a shan in karon da lang thai lawa karon da lan veka kan ron zir a shan amal mala kan zir vek dong kha chuanin kan ti don chuanin a rei dona chuwang chuanin I a khatiang khanin combination khan karon soile mai dona ta chuanin kan question ma sabera chuanin a shang ani wang han chumi formula chu manga ti vel kharon soi thei lawa Rajiv age after 15 year will be 5 times his age years be karon ti tani Rajiv age chu 10 years chu 5 years will be 5 times of his after 15 years kumsom pangat nuwa chuanin Rajiv age chu mo 5 times of his age 5 years back ani 5 times of kumnga I liamta I akum zat kha I akum tur chu ni aron ti ta ni what is the present age of Rajiv age ani ta I chutin I chuan let the present age be x kan tiang mo age of after 15 years ani chuan 15 years ani chuan kumsom pangat nuwa tina nia tuna I kuma tanga kumsom pangat nuwa ani chuan kumsom panga kha I bel mai don tina ni chuanin Rajiv age 5 years back ani chuan kumnga let lea chuanin x minus 5 ani mo x minus 5 years ani chutini chuanin x plus 15 equal to 5 into x minus 5 ani mo aumzia chu 5 times of his 5 years back ani chuan a let zong ani chuan minus ani don ani mo chutin chuan 5x jar chu 5x ania 5 jar chu 25 ania chuan hei le lama kan son phai chuan 5x minus x chu 4x ania hei he lama kan lo son le chuanin 25 plus 15 chu 25 plus 15 mo hei minus I plus aron phai tonga 25 plus 15 chu 40 ania nga chuan 4x equal to 40 ania 4 kan divide chuan 10 aron chuak dona chutini chuan Rajiv chu tuna chuan kumsom ani ti na ni chu chuan hei kan en le chuan find the remainder when 231 is divisible by 5 aron tia 231 is divisible by 5 aron ti chuanin I 210 chu 1 I 210 chuan in 1204 den khan in tluka a digit a khamo unit digit of 210 is 4 ania a mai kan dil to kha unit digit ti vel kha I 231 chu 8 ania now 8 is divided by 5 give us a remainder 8 hi 5 kan divide chuanin mo remainder 3 anei don ani chutini chuan 231 kha 5 kan divide chuanin remainder 3 anei don ti na ni chu chuan what will be the product of all numbers of what will be the product of all numbers of telephone one numbers of telephone will be 0 which give us the product of all number as 0 ani achan chu telephone number a hian 0 om telani kha de khanin 9 po multiply la eng po khan multiply chuak vek la 0 ina eng po multiply chuan 0 ron chuak dona chutini chuan telephone number kan multiply chu product chu multiply ti na ni 0 lo ni don ta ti na ni chu chuan hei kan en chuanin a tailor had a number of short pieces to cut from a roll of fabric aron ditani puan thui tu khanin number of short pieces to cut from a roll of fabric atang khanin enge a katani mo he cut each roll of equal length into 10 piece ma se kha pa khanin a length in pluk vek khanin piece som kha katani he cut at the rate of 45 cuts a minute aron ti ta ni a rate kha chu minute khata 45 ani 45 cuts a minute ani chuan how many rolls would be cut in the 24 minutes aron ti ta I minute som ni palia I minute khata khan somli panga ka chuanin minute somli ni palia chon engzan nge ka tang ti kha minute zot ani mo number of cuts made into 10 piece aron ti ta ni 10 piece kha hay kan en chuan 10 piece kha a Taylor had number of salary he roll is equal into 10 pieces cut to 45 45 into 45 cuts in a minute aron ti ta ni he cut its equal roll of length into 10 pieces aron ti ta ni 10 pieces kha a length in kluk vek khan in a cut ta ni made a cut roll into 10 pieces ani chuan 10 pieces kha mo entinan hai hi 10 piece I kat don chuan khat ni thum li nga ruk sari riat kwa lo ni ta se hei pakhat pahni pathum pali panga paruk pasari pariat pakwa som ani don pakwa voi koi kat khanin som asiam ti na chuti ni chuanin ikat ngai za chu voi kwan ya chuan required number of rolls chuti ni chuanin 45 cuts into 45 into 24 minutes ha chuanin 9 cut ani chuanin mo li 9 in kan divide tanga hai 9 5 jar ania 5 24 jar chu 120 lo ni ta ti na ni chu chuan next kan en le chuan a monkey climbs 30 feet at the beginning of its hour and rests for a while when slip back 20 feet before he again starts climbing in the beginning of the next hour arontia a monkey climbs monkey khan in alone at 30 feet at the beginning each hour rest while slip back 20 feet arontitani mo atir tanga 1 hour a englo za tur chu 30 feet a englo khanin a slip back le wang khan 30 minus 20 adia 10 feet ani a kal khadar kar khachunga kal kha mo chuanin so the monkey ascends 90 feet in 9 hour ti nani 10 feet su 1 hour ania 90 feet su 9 hour ani mo chutini chuanin 5 pm a thleng don ti nani chu the next 1 hour that is till 6 pm ani chu a next 1 hour chu 6 pm ma ti nani chu mo chuan if the beginnings ascend 8 am mo at what will be the first thought satia a beginning na kha chu 8 am ania 8 am ani chuan 8 9 10 11 12 12 1 2 3 4 5 ania khat ni thum li nga ruk sari riat kwa anita ni mo hai hi 8 am khan atira atran na tak kha 8 am atrana chuan dar kar khat nuwa 10 feet ani hai dar kar khat nuwa 10 chuan 23 30 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 nani mo 10 20 30 mo 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 ani hai tai thleng hi 5 dar nga chu ni hei 90 feet ani chuan 5 pm a khan thleng don ani mo chuti ni chuan a next chia a chuanin enge what will be the first to flex the feet from arontitani at what will he first toss at the flip from the ground di chuanin a next hour chia khania 6 pm ti nani mo chuan next kan en le chuanin a is 3 years older to b 3 years younger to c ania a chu b a in 3 years in a upazo kani mo chuti ni chuan a is equal to a ina tuk chu b plus 3 kha chuan younger to c ani chuan c minus 3 ani mai chuti ni chuanin a an tluk ve ve wangin b plus 3 le c minus 3 chu a in tluk ti na mo chuti ni chuanin heta ron soile chu where b and d are two in saron tia b le d te kha phiran ni wangin b a ya hian d kan da thai mo chuti ni chuanin how many years older is c and d ron ti ta ni mo chuti ni chuanin hei hi le lama kan son phai chuan hei zo khi kan ron son phai angai plus minus ti bo tur chuanin plus ania nga 3 plus 3 to 6 ania d kan son phai chuanin c minus d ania mo 6 in c kha a upazok ti na ni chu hei kan en le chuan a girl count in the following y on the finger on her left hand she start calling the thumb 1 index finger middle finger 3 ring finger kha 4 and little finger kha 5 ania mo kujung tang te ber kha and then reverse direction calling finger a reverse zonga ti khanin ring finger kha 6 ania middle finger kha 7 ania she counted up to 199 tian he ta atira changa account zo khanin atopa tang khan atir anga chiarin aled le zel ti na ni chu she ended counting on which figure 1994 ani na kha eng figure ber khange eng kujung tang ber nge middle nge tham nge ring nge index figure ti khaminon zo tani chuti ni chuan kan en chuanin account chan na kha 191725 ania a number form kha chuti ni chuanin mo a in thlau na chu 1 le 9 in thlau na chu 8 ania mo 8n plus 1 tin kan ti don ani chu mo chuti ni chuanin n chu a number kha aza ta kha kan son don chuan hei chu 8 muneng zan nge kan ti chon 2 4 9 ani mo 2 4 9 na khan oma chuanin plus 2 ania chuti ni chuanin I an count to ber na chu 99 correspond to the thumb 1994 kha hemi kan han cho chua chuan index figure ani hei kan han cho chua chuan next kan en le chuan between two book ends in our study are displayed the five favorite puzzle book atia enge book pani te between two book ends in our study are displayed your 5 puzzle books around ya ka display na in kara khanin 5 favorite puzzle books kha omani if you decide to arrange the 5 books is every possible combination move just one book every minute how long it will take you around ditani khami kan puzzle du zong te kha select tur khan engzat minute nge kan mamuang ti khami non zo tan number of ways arranging the book kha kan arrange haidan kha chu 5 books an ni wang han 5 ani 5 factorial ani mai 5 factorial chu 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ania chu chuan 120 tluka chuan chuti ni chuanin so the total time taken is 12 minutes 120 minutes ania 120 minutes chu mo minute kha awara kan chantir don chuanin darkar khata minute somruka omwangin somrukin kan divide tanga 2 alo niang 2 hours aniang 2 hours a khanin hemi hi kan select thai don ti na ni chu chuan hei kan en le chuan the members of club decide to play badminton single tournament aron ti ta ni every member loses again an thang du ni single tournament tami tur kha out of a tournament natia every time a member loses he is out of tournament englautina khanin an loss an game khamo there are no ties what is the minimum number of matches must be played to determine the winner aron ti ta ni so every member except one must lose again to decide the winner aron tia match play ani chuanin mo 30 members ani chuanin time tina khan an loss ani chuanin 1 kha kan minus time khat aya kan ning lo tur chu 1 ania chuti ni chuanin 30 minus 1 kan tianga 29 alo nia kan answer tur chu 29 ani ti na ni chu chuan hi a question hi karon chiar diak to lo nga chan chu soifia na tur kha ta chuanin kan hriat lo chu the note of its denomination kha mo kan eng lo tur kha kan zon tur kha x kan lo tiang chu tin ni chuan x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 4. A man has rs 180 denomination in 1 rupee notes aron titani 1 rupee notes khan 480 kha in the denomination chu ni mo chu tin ni chuan 1 rupee aya chuan 1x zar chu x ania plus 5 rupee notes atile plus 5x mo 10 rupee notes aron tile ta 10 rupee ni chuanin 10 alo ni le ta ni mo chu hei 10x ti tur o chuan 10 plus 10x hei x kalau da mai ni hi 10x plus 5x plus 1 chu 16x ania 16x is equal to 480 ani mo chuan x is equal to 480 divided by 16 chu 30 alo ni mo chu tin chuan total number of notes to x to 3x to 90 alo ni ta ti na ni chu mo 16 na kan divide chuan 90 alo ni ta ti na ni chu chuan hei kan han en le chuanin father age le son age ti vel khani hei chu kan ti to wang kha dang ma ni lo en ve mai anga 2 half cuts aruna khanin cake kha cut tani 2 half cuts and 1 half into smaller pieces of the equal size. Each of the small piece 20 grams aron titani a piece zong kha 20 grams ania mo 2 half cut aron ti chuanin 2 half aron ti chuanin mo if she has 7 pieces of cake in all with her, how heavy was the original cake aron titani aruna half 1 half into smaller of the equal size aron tita chu tini chuan 2 into 26 gram 20 gram ania pakhat zel kha mo 20 gram ani chuanin cut half into smaller pieces 2 half ani chuanin hi 1 by 2 ani chuan heta kan ron son phayanga mo 7 pieces of the cake in all her, how heavy of the original cake aron titani chutin chuan 7 pieces a cut don chuanin mo piece saria cut don chuan a ai hniam chia zel ka ti kha a ai hniam chia chu 6 ania 6 in a cut chuanin 26 zar chu 120 nia chuan 2 half cut aron titani 2 half ani chuan 2 into 26 zar chu 240 gram alo ni ti na ni chu chuan hai kan en le chuan a farmer built a fence around his square plot aron titani farmer khanin I enge alo kha tia square plot khan siamani he used 27 fence posts of each side of the square. How many posts did need all together roditani since heta khanin common to each two sides a two sides khanin square ani chuan ati don ti kha chiang ani chu ti ni chuan total numbers of posts needed ani chuanin ahmana kha 27 fence poles ani chuanin 27 ania square chuanin side pali na ya mo side pali na ya 4 27 4 jar minus kil kha pali na iboka wangin 4 chutin chuan 104 kha kan answer tur chu ni chuan next chuan the number of boys in a class is 3 times of a girls. Which one of the following numbers cannot represent total number of children in the class aron titani khoi zong nge class chuanin boys te chu 3 times of girls ania 3 times boys te chu engting he ka tiang boys mun thuma then le girls te chu anin tluk ti na boys chuan ina tluk chu 3 khan girls te kha multiply taila chu nen chuan anin tluk ani boys an tam jok ti na ni chu ti ni chuanin let the girl be x kan ti chuan boys to 3x ti na mo chuanin total number of students chu tin chuan 3x plus x to 4x ani total number of students chu mo thus to find the total number of students must be divisible by 4 ania 4 ina a divide thai kha anni mo total number of student te chu chuan hei kan en le chuan in ta chuan total number of student te chu heta kan en tur chu 4x alo ni ta a total number das find the exact value of x aron ti ta ni exact value of x I zon kha kan mabak chuan in heta chuan in 4 ina divide thein chuan a divide thei ve heta chuan in kan exact value chu 40 ani oh chuan find the number which when added itself 13 times give 133 13 times atang hianin eng number nge etila 112 chhuak ang ngatia kan et tura kha kan hriat lo wangin let the number be x kan tia chuan x ania 13 times 2x chu 13 times ani chuan 13x ania kan et don chuan x plus 13x equal to 122 13 plus 1 chu 14x equal to 122 ania hemia kan va divide chuan 8 aron chuak don ta ti na ni chu chuan hei kan en chuan a bar start from ctx ania mo I khopui x atang khan in aron kala the number of women in the bus is half of the number of the men ania kha chu kan the thiam ve kanga women te kha chu mi pachan ve khan nia y atang kha chuan in 10 men cty and va thena atang khan 10 men leave the bus to 5 women enter 10 men khan chuaka mi pa so man chuaka women panga khan ron lut le a now number of men and women is equal to na chuan men le women khan in equal to ta in the beginning how many passengers enter the bus aron tita ni atira khan in engzat passenger tenge bus aron lut tanga ron tita chuan tuna chuan let the number of women be x kan tianga chuti ni chuan number of men chu half of men an ni wangin mo women chu x is equal to 1 by 2 men khan ni ta ni chutin chuan men te chu hai kan cross multiply chuan 2x an lo niang mo chuan ctx a khan chuan cty a chuan in 10 men te kha hai 2x atang hian 10 an chuk ani chuan heta chuan in an lo lu bela x plus 15 ani hemi te pahnih hi kan in tluk tirang mo 2x minus 10 equal to x plus 5 ania hei helama ron son phai chuan 10 minus 5 chu 5 ania 2x hianin x kan minus chuan x ani x is equal to 5 an ni chutin chuan women te chu panga an nia atira lut kha mo men chu engza nge kan hria du chuan 2 into 5 an nia 2 5 jar chu 10 ania chutin hi chuanin atira passenger alu za te kha chu kan hria don chuanin mo sorry hei 15 ani chu 215 jar chu 30 ania chuan 30 plus 15 chu 45 alo ni hei kan en le chuan a monitor is knows for different routes aron ditani monitor tu khan in 4 different routes from Bristol and Birmingham from Birmingham to Sheffield he knows 3 different routes from Sheffield and Carilsa khan in Ashebokta he knows 2 different routes anitani how many routes does knows from Bristol to Carlis atitani the number of routes from Bristol to Carlis khanin Bristol to Carlis khashia mo from Birmingham atangkhan to Sheffield he knows 3 different routes ani mo heta hianin 4 different routes ashia 4 heta hian 3 different routes 3 mo chuanin he knows 2 different routes 2 4 3s are 12 12 2s are 2 24 alo ni ta ni chuan next chuan applies 3Cs, 2 carbons get 2 extra copies on the original atia. Applies a 3Cs khan 2 carbons to get extra copies of the original hai chuin lo chiaranga. Decide to get more carbon copies. The folded paper in such a way upper half of the Cs were top on the lower half anita ni. Chuan chu ti ni chuan number of carbon is 2 ani chuan 2 copies can be obtained. Number of carbons ani chuan in 2 kha ni chuan 2 copies kha ni mai ni hei chuin lo chiar chiang top mai anga. Chuan hei po chiar chiana thriat thiam ngal top thei ni wangin karon soi kher lawanga. Chuan next chuan there are deer and peacock in a zoo. By counting heads they are 80. The number of their leg is 200. How many peacocks are there on titani? Deer and peacock in zoo at rontia. Deer le peacock te kha I sahuanan oma mo. Let x and y be the number of deer and peacocks in zoo respectively kantianga. Chuan by counting heads are atia an vaya kan belkhom khan somria tan ni chuin chuan x plus y equal to 18. The number of their legs is 23 aron titani. Mo deer kha chuan in kepalian na ya. Deer chuan kepalin na ya. Peacock chuan kepanin na ya chuti ni chuan deer chu 4x ania peacock chu 2y ania chu mi belkhom chu 200 ania 2 komona kan lak chuan 2x plus y equal to 200 alo nianga. Chu 2 in kan divide anga 100 alo ni don ani. 2x plus y equal to 100 alo ni dona chuti ni chuanin hei le hei kan han 2x plus y equal to 100 kan tianga. X plus y equal to 80 kan han ti chuanin mo sin kan thak anga. Sin kan thak chuan hei 0 anianga 2x minus x chu 1 ani vain x ania 100 minus 80 chu 23 alo ni. Mo chutin chuan x kha 23 ania deer te kha 23 ania peacock te kha chu peacock chu chuti ni chuanin y kha y x le y in thau na kha kan thria don chuanin mo peacock chuti ni chuan peacock zo kha chu kan zonga kan han putanga hei aya 20 kan da chuan 2 20s are 40 ania 100 minus 40 chu 60 alo ni don ti na ni chu chuan khang kha adang hi chu nangma ni lo ti ve tur enge answer sia ka ron da ke explain na om lo te khan nia khang kha nangma ni nin lo chok ve chinaga khang kha arithmetical reasoning chu ni me simple te han chiar me hria thiam thei si ania har vak lo em a amai ro chu in chiar uluk lo in hria in ti pot pot kha chuan hria thiam har se em in chiaranga enge mo atanga enge mo minus le karon chuang mai thei te kha nia chu wang chuan uluk taka in ti chuan har lo em ani ole khati zong kha zanina ta na kan zir thei te chu ni in zawai chunga lom thu ka sui